Well, innovation comes in a lot of forms, and it does come from the resources, the tools you use, the imagination of our employees. We innovate for the customers, we innovate for our internal processes, we innovate using the tools to be able to leverage the best we can the movement of our business.
Our fleet right now is about 2,700 trucks that are running on the road, almost all Volvo. We have about 6,500 trailers running on the road, from pups to specialized equipment. What I've actually been about the most proud of is the fact that we've been able to take our fleet and advance it rapidly and take advantage of all the technology that is available on the units. We've been able to advance that, making us a safer overall fleet and giving us the ability to provide better service to our customers with better uptime.
AAA Cooper's history is really quite innovative, where the original transportation effort started with John Dove, really with his father, began pulling timber and logs to sawmills locally. It evolved from there. In the mid-1950s, they established an interest in PC white truck lines, which is basically the beginning and the genesis of where AAA Cooper is today.
We had the opportunity to actually buy some of the first V&L and V&R units to go on the road, and to this point, those trucks have met and exceeded our expectations and the driver's expectations.
It's super, I'm telling you. We do get a lot of compliments on this truck. And when other truck drivers ride down the road, everybody's got their eyes on it.
The eye shift would probably be on the number one. The room in the truck would be number two.
My favorite feature about the truck is the transmission. You're not putting it into strain and backups. You know, I could donate my left leg if anybody needs it. I don't need it anymore with the automatic transmission.
If it wasn't for the truck, we would not be able to provide our customers with their expectations and great service. Our experiences here at AAA Cooper with the turbo compound, what we see is real durable, and then also we're seeing on certain runs, we've seen anywhere from 7 to 9% increase on fuel economy with the turbo compound.
Fuel is one of the largest spends a transportation trucking company can have overall. Our focus on that, regardless of the pricing, needs to be on how to be more efficient and just use the least amount of fuel we possibly can. The other advantages is, as a fleet who's trying to ensure that we're green and we're operating as efficiently as possible, the least amount of fuel we use is better for the environment as a whole.
I get a great deal of pride because I know that I'm involved in that truck being on that road. Also that other people outside of our company is actually seeing that piece of equipment run up down the highway, providing service, also providing the general public with safety. If it wasn't for that truck rolling up down the highway, I know that I would not be able to support my family and my other team members' families as well.
We see this continual passion for safety at Volvo that we want to bring our employees the most safe equipment that's on the road. But also, as we innovate our business for our customers and the technology that's needed, we need to be able to operate a fleet that's reliable, but can handle the technologies of the future. And we see that with Volvo.